So let me now tell you about Medicare. In the Republican budget, if you are younger than 55, instead of getting the same Medicare your parents had, and the same Medicare you've paid into, and the same Medicare that you counted on, it's over, folks. It's over. You will get a voucher. There's no more Medicare. And they tell you, go out with that voucher and find your own insurance. Now, we know, because studies have shown us, that that plan says that you will be paying $6,000 a year more out of your own pocket for health care. That's what this so-called Medicare, new Medicare program is. It is not Medicare. Medicare is a guaranteed benefit. You take the card, you go to the doctor. Here you take a voucher. Now you're 55. Supposing, and then you get older, if you're lucky enough to get health insurance, you get older, and now you're 70, and now you're 80, and you're taking an insufficient voucher, you're retired. This is a giant nightmare. These are supposed to be the golden years. Well, the people who lose this will have lost the golden Medicare guarantee. I'll tell you that. But here's the final point. The Republicans say, oh, if you have Medicare, don't worry. You're fine. Baloney. If you end Medicare, destroy it like they do over there, the Republicans, the people left in it are part of a dying program that is being phased out. Who is going to try to improve the quality of that program? It's going to be like fixing an Edsel or fixing your typewriter. There is no more Medicare. It's going to be a program that is dying, that is being phased out, and that will hurt current senior citizens. So let's be clear. The Ryan budget, the Republican budget, takes the Medicare promise and it shreds it, destroys it, and it's the end. And when President Johnson signed the Medicare law in 1965, here's what he said. No longer will older Americans be denied the healing miracle of modern medicine. No longer will illness crush and destroy the savings that they've carefully put away over a lifetime. No longer will young families see their own incomes eaten away because they're carrying out their deep moral obligation to their parents, to their uncles, and their aunts. So I am saying to Senator Murray, thank you, thank you, thank you for your leadership. I am saying to Democrats like Senator Coons, who's organized this today, thank you for your leadership. Thank you for a budget that recognizes our obligations to our seniors, to our veterans, to our children, to this nation, to make sure this is a nation of innovation. And thank you for protecting transportation, an issue that I care deeply about as chairman of the Environment and Public Works Committee, because without being able to move people and move goods, our nation will not be a leading economic power. So I thank you, and I yield back to Senator Coons.